Well, we're here to celebrate the Mexico Day, and the Mexico Day, it's an opportunity for a couple of reasons. The first one is to thank the industry, first of all, for their support that they have provided to Mexico. Our numbers, if you look at 2010, they were up versus the previous year. And we're completing a cycle as we came here exactly a year ago to present the campaigns. The second reason is to show the products that are coming their way, the tools that we have, and also to share with them the different initiatives that we have, such as Mundo Maya, cultural tourism, the Adventure Summit that is going to be the host is going to happen in San Cristobal de las Casas. We're also going to talk about the campaigns that we're launching this second half of the year, that we're investing a lot of money in launching those campaigns and sharing those with the consumers. And third, also is to listen. It's very important for us to be close to the industry, to understand their needs, and to keep that channel of communication so that we keep working and taking this partnership to the next level. Well, we have leaders from everywhere. We have leaders here, the chief editor from Travel Weekly. We have the head of different hotel chains, airlines, travel industry. We also have people from the media, travel agencies. Pretty much everyone is represented tonight here in New York. The leaders of the industry in the U.S. are here today. Tomorrow, actually, we're heading to Washington, and the idea is to do exactly the same thing in Washington on Mexico Day. And next week, we're planning to be in LA and Seattle.